Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today I wanted to try and create a rustic look for a party or even a wedding, and using only Dollar Tree items. So let me show you what I came up with. So first we have the Dollar Tree gold tablecloth. Yes, it is a plastic tablecloth, but look at all the other items that I have on the table where I don't think your guests will even really pay attention that it is a Dollar Tree, dollar store plastic tablecloth. So what I did was I added the Dollar Tree gold charger. I have the Dollar Tree white porcelain glass plate. We have the Dollar Tree wine glass. And as far as like the centerpieces, I have the the glass cylinders with the candle, and then I have the glass mirror. So when your lights are turned on, your candles are turned on, it should really add that spark to your table. Along with that, I have the little cylinders, and I just took one of the Dollar Tree flowers bundles and just took the rose off and just stuck it in the glass. I wanted to give the table a little bit color, but not too much because I still wanted to kind of keep it rustic. But I went with the whole gold, brown, pinkish colors. And then next we have the pink rose petals. I'll show you. So at the Dollar Tree, they do have the pink rose petals. I wanted a more blush type color, but they didn't have them. But I still think that this pink actually goes with the whole color scheme. And then the middle centerpiece is one of the taller jars that they actually have now in the stores. And I just took a few bundles of the roses and put in here. I think this will look a lot better if I added some more, but they didn't have that many. So this is what it looks like with, I believe, 4 bundles, but I really think that at least 6 would do the job. And then what do I have next? So I was trying to think of a cute like wedding idea to use clothespins, because I think clothespins are actually, they are pretty cheap. You get them packed at the dollar store. And I figured this would be a cute idea to actually take a clothespin, write a cute little message. Here it says, please share your best wishes for the couple so that they can cherish for many years. And then you can just leave that on each of your guests' plate. So that way they can, write a cute little message for the couple. Like I said, it could be for a baby shower, it could be for a wedding. And then the couple has that to keep and put in a keepsake box. And then they can really just, go back in a few years and take a look at what their guests wrote. I think it came out pretty cute. You know what I mean? Like, again, like I only use Dollar Tree items, and I think it actually, came together pretty well. So the Dollar Tree also has like burlap banners. Mine did not have one because I would actually have taken that burlap banner and hung it on the wall so that it would have added more to the event, and would have made a great backdrop for your guests. So if they have that in your Dollar Tree, be sure to pick it up because they actually go pretty fast. So I'm guessing a lot of people do rustic type theme parties and weddings. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe so that you can see more of these videos like this. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Again, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.